After last update, I was no longer able to run my virtual machines using KVM setup. Since my virtualization manager was unable to connect, it was a clear sign that the daemon is not running. Therefore, to find more details, we'll use systemctl.service command, and then from there we'll go to journalctl to find the actual reason behind it. In this case, if we pay attention to error line, we'll find that there is some required library which is missing. Using the library name, we'll use pacman to find more information about this. It seems that it's something to do about BSCSI devices, which I don't have, but the library is a required dependency to run the virtualization daemon. So just a simple workaround, we will install it as a dependency and we'll see if it helps to run the daemon. Now I'm not sure if it is a upstream bug or something done by Arch package managers, but for the time being we'll keep the library installed on our package until there is a further update on this. As always, thanks for watching the video.